Well, since we're waiting for parts for Mara's wrecker, we're gonna get back to the snowcat again. And we got what?
You got a gift.
A gift?
So, I want you to read that.
This tape measure will prevent you from ever having to do the math on finding the center. I hate figuring out the center point. Use mine all the time. Enjoy the content you put out. From Peter Bratz. Oh, a self-centering tape measure. Look at that. It's got centering marks on it.
Thank you, Peter Bratz.
Yeah, half of 4 1/4 is 4 1/8. Half of 7 is 3 1/2. Oh, cool. I like that.
Again, thank you, Peter Bratz.
Yes.
Now, what were you saying? You're waiting on parts for me, so you're working on this again?
Yeah, and I need somebody to help me find the hydraulic leak in it. Where are you going?
I guess I'll help you. You help me.
So it's leaking out somewhere
Right here.
No, higher. Somewhere up there. See the valve up there?
Oh.
It's leaking somewhere out of there.
Maybe 2 spots.
Okay.
Okay, so how are we going to test that?
Yes, I need you to watch while I start it up and activate stuff and see if you can tell me where it's leaking out of that valve.
All right. Don't hurt me.
I won't. Well, looks like we have to get it to run again before we can find the hydraulic leak. Looks like we got a problem with the tank yet. And I got to reading the comments and how they had the radiator guys wash them out. And I don't know, I never thought that you could mix fuel and water. But I guess if you let the tank dry out, it's okay. So we're gonna try and do that. We're gonna try and pressure wash the tank out. But we gotta drain it first. Well, that's draining. Let's see if one of these fits. Oh, look at that. Since you're cleaning the windshield, let's see if these refills, these universal refills will work. Because we couldn't get wipers to fit.
I wonder why. Because it's old.
It is old.
And I may not make them no more.
That's right. No, they do not fit. Uh-oh. That's gonna be a problem. you doing there?
I'm doing pretty good. I mean, whoever, you know, this has got some problems. I did not do this.
Huh. Well, looks like we might have to paint it after all. Look at that stuff that's coming out of there. Yuck. Oh, look at that. You're almost done.
Yeah, I have patience. Just like drying her hair.
Yeah? Well, that looks a whole lot better. Well, you got that side done.
Yes, I did.
I think we'll have to paint over the trail groomer and the Todd's trail or whatever it is.
Yeah, I don't know what that is. So, yeah. But that side's done.
Cool.
That did not take me long.
Oh, that's going to take a few coats. Well, what do they say? Third time's the charm? I hope it's clean enough this time. All right, with our tank bolted up, our fuel gauge installed, I think it's time to go get new fuel filters again though. Okay, we're back from the parts store. Here we go. There. Let's pump out those lines. There, that should be empty. Put some fuel in there. what the heck, it starts on ether. 3 days of working on it and getting nowhere. So it looks like we need a fuel pump. It's not delivering enough fuel. It'll start on ether and then it'll quit right away. And we've tried that several times. We've watched the fuel in our fuel filter and it's just not pumping in there. So 3 days of diagnosis and it comes to a fuel pump. But we got our tank cleaned out and we got new fuel filters installed. And looks like we need to put a fuel pump on it. You know, I'd much rather have the fuel pump go out here in the shop than out on a rescue. But we did get some other stuff done on the snowcat. We got the signs off the doors, and I did figure out my wiper blades. They're 50s to 60s Dodge truck. Not sold anymore in stores, but that's what they are. But we did get something in the mail today. Check it out. What do you got?
I don't know.
You don't know what they are?
They're heavy.
Those are spring pads for your truck.
Oh!
So we can put the front axle in. We're gonna have to cut one of these up though.
Why? They're pretty.
To make it fit. So, looks like we'll be doing that next.
Yay!
So join us next time when we get back on Mara's tow truck. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.
Or in Utah.
Here you go. That's a fuel pump right there.
Huh. So you have to take all this off?
No, I think we just have to move the hydraulic pump out of the way. I think just taking the belts off of that and sliding that down will do.
But why is it so small?
Well, it doesn't need to be real big.
Well, this is a big machine. It should be like big.
No.